Alright, tadi na sa part 2. Irinoman na. Kamanga angap kita sa inom. Bay, data ka mga royong na. Royong na sa inom, royong pagkakaselfon. Bay, na si Gino. Uy, ton ka angap baga kiton permi. Sila loy sadman, perming laka o kurong sa cellphone. Bada, namitan ko marami sa niluto ko, sabi ni Tibyo. Perting ading pagkaluto ko. Si Kebs papikit-pikit. Sila loy sadman. Amod to amatindi talaga sa mo sa pulutan. Saldo ka sana. Pero mag-intermission ra muna si Jano. Nahulog.
But it's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes.
Sige. Para ka di.
Me and you.
Alright.
God! Wow! Tonight, dogs are running hand. He's waiting, and we had a cigarette.
Sige. Really.
Moving too fast, movies lighting up the skin. She's falling, doesn't know living yet. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. Getting on to baby, I've been thinking about you lately. Doesn't ever drive you crazy, just a fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dream of disappear, and when you wake up, but it's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you.
Alright. Send ko nga ng Kiali. Going out tonight.
Changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like the kind of dress. Reminds me of the missing piece that in the sea.
Alright. Only getting older, baby. Doesn't thinking about it lately.
Doesn't ever drive you crazy.
Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dream of disappearing when you wake up.
But it's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night
Changes. It will never change, baby. It will never. Ay, di pa.
ikaw hinahanap mo.
You'll never
Be
be.
afraid of.
Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you.
It will never change. It will never change. Me and you.
Alright.